Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is teacher Sanjida from Tasol Elementary School in Tasol, Bangladesh. And today I'm back with our another exciting science experiment video. Today we are going to learn about the heat capacity of water. We know that water is a very good absorber of heat. For this reason, in summer or very hot days, we usually drink a lot of water, or we always prefer to wash our face and hands with water for get some ease, because water becomes colder than the actual temperature. This is because of its heat capacity. So let's prove it. For this reason, we have taken two balloons. One is empty, or one has only air inside it, and the other has water filled in it. And we are going to examine how differently these two situations occurs. So let's get started. We are going to put on fire. So we have taken a candle here in my hand, and I'm going to place that. All right. Now, we have already seen that this balloon is not burst because it contains water. The water inside it can absorb heat from it, and it can prevent the balloon from bursting. So, hope you like this video. In the next video, we are going to come back with our another exciting science experiment. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.